What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Shain Rahman, and today let's explore how 4 essential skills can make you a very top tier general manager. So, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are updated whenever we publish new content. Let's go! Skill number 1, visionary leadership. A successful general manager must think ahead. They should visualize the future and transform passion into reality. It's not just about what you do, it's about why you do it. Visionary leaders, like those at the forefront, possess unique traits. They think ahead of the time, visualize the yet to exist, and are dedicated to turning their vision into reality. As a general manager, having a clear vision not only shapes your business strategy but influences every decision made by you and your team. It's not just about having a vision, but it's also about inspiring your team to execute it passionately. Skill number 2, strategic thinking. General managers need a roadmap for success. Set your course, identify goals, assess resources, and keep an eye on the ever-changing business landscape. Agility is key in the digital age. So, strategic thinking is more than just dreaming. It's about taking concrete steps to achieve your vision in a dynamic role like general management. Staying agile is very crucial. Agility significantly outperforms other leadership qualities, especially in this digital era. Your strategy is your roadmap, considering internal and external forces, goals, and measurable progresses. You should stay agile and then stay ahead. Skill number 3, negotiation and conflict management. As a general manager, you're in constant collaboration. So you should master the art of negotiation, create bonds, and then turn conflicts into opportunities. Negotiation and conflict management skills are the heartbeat of a successful general manager. So conflict is not a hurdle, it's an opportunity. Managing such conflicts effectively allows organizations to leverage diverse perspectives for innovative outcomes. As a general manager, your ability to negotiate and handle conflicts sets the tone of your team's success. It's as simple. Lastly, skill number 4 is team building and interpersonal skills. Your team is your greatest asset. Delegate, inspire, and motivate. Fostering intrinsic motivation, recognizing individual strength, and managing diversity creates a culture of excellence. Your team is the backbone of your success as a general manager. So, fostering intrinsic motivation involves autonomy, mastery, and connection. Recognize your team's strength, delegate responsibilities, and lead by example. Managing diversity, including cultural intelligence, is a must in today's globalized work environment. Remember, a motivated and knowledgeable team is the driving force behind realizing your strategic vision. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the secrets to becoming a remarkable general manager. Remember, leadership is not just a title, it's an extraordinary journey of inspiring, strategizing, and building a powerhouse team. So, are you ready to lead with impact? So now, guys, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for whenever we make new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. See you next time. Let's go.